Hello friend, in this video lecture I'm going to discuss about GetType method in C#.NET. So GetType method is used to find the type of current instance. So this code that I already written, there I'm using the GetType method. So let's understand this code. So first two namespace that I'm using, if I give the comment on the namespace system. So here you can see object console strings has some issue because compiler does not understand what exactly is the use of this red color mark. Okay, so see, using system namespace that is required, and another namespace I'm using here system collection. So array list has the problem because array list internal coding that's written inside this namespace. So these two namespace required. Now after that, here when you debug this code or run this code, then control comes to main method. Here after that go inside. So here I created the object. Here this is the object. So this is the class, and object name is now obj ob1 with the help of new object. Okay. So after that console.writeLine. So ob1 that can call getTypes. So getType that is used to return the current instance. So here this is now system object that return. And after that control comes to this point. So string ob2 object string class object is now ob2. So this initialize and ob2 that get the types. So get types this is returned here, or current instance is now strings. And here array list object created ob3 with the help of new array list console.writeLine, and ob3 that called getTypes. So this is now array list type. So this returned here array list type. And next is get with the class. So here program class object created z with the help of new program constructor string str z call get types, and here you can give the names. And this returned here the class name and str1 values. So str1 values, the name of the class is now program. So program that return. So when I click on this or debug here, then you can get the output according to this. So let's click there, and here you can see. So this is now system object that returning getType return current instance object, and here current instance is now strings, and this here current instance is now system collection array list. So this is array list is the collection types, and this return here class name program. So this is the use of getTypes in C#.NET. So it is used to return the current instance. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.